Listen, I just had to come, take off my clothes, and sit on my bed and prepare to entertain myself with YouTube videos because it has been that kind of a day. Welcome guys, I'm Andrea Patrick, the BU Boss here. This is the start of my weekly vlog. It is Thursday. I try to capture the family shenanigans Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But here on my channel, I talk about business tips, personal branding, how to apply who you are to your business so that you can attract, engage, and convert the right people. It all boils down to finding the intersection between your personal life and your business life so that you can have a quality of life. But today, it was that kind of a day. I just got back from vacation, and you know how it is, right? When you have to get back into the swing of things a week after you have vacation. Anyway, it's been that kind of a day. So stick around. I will share with you a little bit about what happened. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, just stick around for this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday vlog and see what happens. Okay, so here we are, Thursday. I had meetings this morning. I should have brought you along for the ride, but you've seen that before. I had my team meeting this morning, and then I had a client meeting at 10, and I decided, for all of you who don't know and are not following me on Instagram, first of all, you need to be following me on Instagram because in October I turned 50. So I am trying to get all this body, right and tight for 50. So I'm calling it my fit, fine, and fabulous to 50. And I have a goal. I'm trying to work out more. I'm trying to get my eating together. So that will be part of our vlog and journey over the course of the next few months. But anyway, so I got up and I did those things, went to the gym, came home, ate lunch, did some work, and then I had a chamber meeting. That's what it was. It's a ribbon cutting. Y'all, I have been watching these emails, looking at these emails, and knew that it was coming up for this place called Sugar Bacon in our area. And so my husband and I have been in Sugar Bacon many times, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll go. They were doing cocktails, the ribbon cutting. It's gonna be some networking happening. So I was like, absolutely. I did not really pay attention to the emails. I know what ribbon cuttings are. I knew what time the ribbon cutting was supposed to be. I knew about Sugar Bacon and have been there several times. So it never dawned on me to really read through the email to make sure I knew exactly what was happening, especially since I got the email prior to going on vacation or while I was on vacation. I RSVP'd while I was on vacation. When you're on vacation, you're not really reading stuff. I get home. Today is the day for the ribbon cutting. I'm running behind. I get dressed. I'm rushing. I drive the 20 minutes or so up the road to McKinney, to the Sugar Bacon. Get there, amazed that I found a parking spot, very close. Get out of the car only to find out that the reason the parking space was so close was because it was behind the building and it was for employees only and they would tow. So I had to get back in my car, drive back around, rushing, because now I'm really gonna be late for this ribbon cutting. Find a parking space, have to walk a considerable distance, get back to the restaurant, y'all, only to find out they opened a new location in Allen, where I live, and I was probably maybe 10 or 15 minutes from my house, and I had driven all the way to an entirely different city to that Sugar Bacon was in the wrong spot. So I decided to turn right back around, get back in my car. I messaged the lady from the chamber, my girlfriend Sandra, and I was like, sis, my car was on autopilot. It took me to McKinney. I'm headed home. I was just over it. The day just ate me up today. I know you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, that was my Thursday. I'm gonna pick this back up again Friday. So tomorrow, hopefully things will be a little bit better. Pray for me. But I am doing really well with my working out. So if you want to continue to follow me on that journey, then head over to Instagram, because that's where I'll be talking about that and posting about that and everything. You'll get bits and pieces of it here on the vlog because I'll be sharing my meal prep and things like that. But for the day-to-day, real-time struggles of it all, join me over there on Instagram, AF Patrick. All right, see you tomorrow. Yesterday, I didn't do much. I did work. I think I explained that earlier, but it was a hard day yesterday. I think you saw that in my last check-in, but it is a little after 10 o'clock in the morning here on Friday, and I just got my nails done. And now I am headed to run a couple of errands. I need to go to Target. I need to pick up a prescription, and I think I need some Starbucks. So I think I'm going to stop and get some Starbucks also. And then we will go home and see what the fam is up to, what they want to do. So anyway, I will check in with you guys a little bit later. That was so funny. She was like, is it the so-and-so? So I was like, no, it's the, oh wait, that is what. Thank you. and waiting on my iced coffee. So it's my first time having this. I'm usually like a hot coffee drinker, so I'm trying this for the first time. We shall see. Egg white bites I get all the time. If you've not had their kale and portobello mushroom egg white bites out, they are really, really good. I enjoy them. I like the red pepper egg white bites also, but the kale ones are my favorites. That's okay. Thank you. I got it. Let's see how this goes. Oh, guys, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Hello bosses. My family and I had just gotten back from our vacation, our Mother's Day, and our daughter pickup from college. I don't know if you've already seen that vlog. I think you have. Anyway, so I came home and one of my really good friends, Anzara, invited me to brunch at this new spot here. Well, actually, I don't even know if it's new, but it was new to me. And anyway, so she invited me to come with her to brunch, and so that is what we did. We had such a good time. That is something that I want to incorporate into the remainder of the year. I am positioning myself in my business to not work quite as much, be a little bit even more, I guess if I could say even more efficient. I don't know if you know this, but a lot of my clients, they always say, I don't know how you get so much done. You always get, I have one client that actually says, you do more by 12 o'clock than most people do all day, So I do get a lot of things done. I try to be very productive with my day. If you want to know more about how I do that, leave a comment below. I'll definitely share that with you. But in this particular vlog, we had just gotten back from our North Carolina trip, vacation, all the things. And my girlfriend was taking me, or she invited me to go to brunch. I am so excited to get this type of activity on my calendar again. This happened on Sunday. Yes, it was a Sunday because I left church. Yeah, I left church and went with her to brunch. And then later on that day, or maybe it was the next week, another girlfriend came over to hang out by the pool. So I'm really excited to start doing things like that this summer with friends, my husband, just getting out, being an adult. Getting dressed up, putting some makeup on, living my life, honey. So I'm really excited about that. So anyway, enjoy. The place is called Pangea. I will link it down below. If you are in the North Dallas area, it is a great spot. We think it's Black owned. She said that. I'm not sure if it is or not, so don't quote. But the food was delicious. Service was impeccable. So much so that my husband and I went back a few weeks later to partake in it. So I'm anxious to go to have dinner because I've heard dinner is really, really good as well. So anyway, enjoy as you watch us head over to Pangea for brunch. And then I'll come back and share with you the next thing we did. This vlog is going to be really short, guys, because it was a really just short time. I am trying to pick the camera up on Thursdays and start vlogging my day, my weekend, my Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and what goes on over the weekend. Because during the week, I'm really, really trying to get things done, and I just don't think about picking up the camera to vlog. I do pick it up to create content. So if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there. And if you're not following me on TikTok, head over there. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, honey, what is the problem? Go ahead and get that done, because over here, I'm showing you the intersection between your personal life and your business life so that you can have a quality of life. And what I call that is putting the B-U in your business. If you know how to spell business, which I'm sure you do, the first two letters are B and U. And you have to put yourself in your business in order for it to be organic and to feel authentic to those you are selling to, as well as to incorporate all the things that you're doing into your daily living, so you don't feel like you are torn between work and home, or you don't feel out of balance because you're doing more work than you are, spending time with your family. If you put the BU in your business, then you know exactly what you need, when, and how. You can devise a plan. You can create that structure. I call it your personal framework, so that you know exactly how to operate, and you know how to show people how to manage their expectations of you, and you manage your own expectations of yourself. So anyway, that said, happy Saturday, bosses. Yesterday, what we ended up doing, I know I did a little bit of work, ran a few errands, and then my husband and I went to see Top Gun Maverick. Really good if you have not seen it before. I actually enjoyed it, and I had never seen the first movie, so I think that says something for the movie. But it is Saturday morning. I just finished, I look so bad, I'm sorry about that, but I just finished watering my plants in the backyard and surveying the land to determine what I needed to do back there, which I'm not going to do anything until this evening back there because it is hot already. But I have a little bit of work to do today. I may go do some fun stuff, do a little bit of shopping and take you along with me. Oh, yesterday I went to Target. That's right, I did. I had errands. That's right, I had nails done and errands. I remember now. And so I might go do a little bit of shopping today. I don't know. But this evening, our church is having sort of a celebration of sorts at one of our local parks. And so I'm going to take you along with me there. And I bought something today. And I'm really excited about it. I will share it with you when it comes in. But it's one of those moments where I have been holding off on getting something in particular. My goal was to have my business support the purchase and not my house. And so I have been able to do it for some time, but just to not pull the trigger on it. And so I finally pulled the trigger on it today. So when that item comes in, I'll definitely share it with you. But I want you to stay tuned because from now moving on, I am going to start documenting my Fit, Fine, and Fabulous to 50 journey. I'm working out. Tomorrow you'll see me doing some meal prepping. We're just going to really bunker down and really commit. I've been doing a good job with my eating and working on my blood sugar, but I could do better, and I'm going to commit to doing better. And so that is a journey that you'll be seeing. So let me know in the comments below, what are you struggling with? What frustrates you? Leave a comment below and tell me what you want to challenge yourself to do better between now and the end of the year. So that'll be a fun conversation to have. So yeah, hit that comment, tell me about that. Anyway, so let's go ahead and as you can see, my bed is not made. I look a mess because I was outside watering. My husband is outside now and he is spraying for weeds. So our family is still kind of quiet and still asleep. I only have one of my daughters, well, two of my daughters are up, one of them is still asleep. So we're gonna get this day going here pretty darn soon because I don't want to be sitting around. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit more work done. I got up at 6, I think, this morning. Did some stuff for my nonprofit, and I really want to get that done by the end of next week. So hard deadline I'm giving myself, and then some adjustments that we're making to just, business as usual here at the Marketing Matrix Agency at the BU Boss Squad. So anyway, yeah, click the link below and join the BU Boss Squad, FYI, and see what we're up to. All right, bosses, it is that time. We have been chilling most of the day. I actually did not even end up leaving my house. I did do some work, but not a ton. I did some reels, did some stories, wrote a little bit of a script for my nonprofit program, made sure that my team had what they need for content this week. And now it is time. I told you earlier that our church was doing a celebration, summer celebration this evening, and so it's about that time. It is like 6 o'clock. I think it starts at 7. I don't think they're serving food, so I'm gonna get myself together real quick. I'm not doing much by way of makeup or anything. I'm just going to put on some mascara. My emergency kit, if you have not seen that video, you have got to check that video out. I shared with you an emergency kit that I shared with all of my styling clients that I felt like they should have. So if you want to know what's in my emergency kit, we will pop up where we put over here. Maybe we'll put the card right here so that you can check out that video and create an emergency kit for yourself. That's what I'll be doing today. And then I'm going to go get my daughter, Jessica. As you know, you have been a member of the BU Boss Squad for any period of time. I have a daughter. I have a set of twins, actually. One of them was born, and she subsequently has special needs. And then I have my youngest daughter that you guys have seen here on the channel. I've taken her to college. I've gone to her birthday at college. We've been to homecoming with her, and then we brought her home. So we've done several things with her here on the channel. So the two of them have already gone. Jordan and Hannah have already gone to the park. So it's just Jessica and me. My husband is working security for the church, and so it's just Jessica and me. And I am gonna go get her ready. We're gonna put on our sunscreen and everything, and then we're gonna head over. And I'm gonna take you with us. So let me go ahead and do my little emergency kit scenario, and then I will catch you at the park. I'll share a little bit of that with you. Happy Sunday! Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the summer jam from our church in the park last night. That was pretty fun. We just came home, got something to eat. They actually have food trucks there, but I have dietary restrictions, so I just didn't chance it. I just went ahead and came home and ate. We got out of there just in time, my daughter Jessica and I, because it started raining on our way home. So I hate to think of those people scrambling, to get out of there. Anyway, it is Sunday and we are headed to church this morning. This is my look. I'll put my hair down maybe. It is really hot outside, so I'm just gonna put it up on top of my head and just have it kind of cute. So anyway, yeah, let's head to church, shall we?
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and make sure you are following me over on Pinterest as well. It's AF Patrick over there. Go follow me there. And if you're not on our email list, get on our email list, because a lot of stuff happens over there that I don't share over here or on my platforms. A lot of discounts and a lot of stories and a lot of ways to apply your personal brand that I don't always share here. It's more like real life, how I'm doing things, stories and things like that, and resources and things. So click on the link below and become a part of our community here at the BU Boss Squad. So, all right, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of whatever we have here for the vlog, and I will see you next time. Bye.